In this video, I'll show you how to copy the link of a Facebook page. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. And please do watch right until the end to the 4 steps of copying a Facebook link of your own page and a different page as well. Let's go and get into this. I'm now on Facebook, but I just want to quickly say this guide is going to work regardless what device you're on. If it's on a mobile device such as an Android, it's going to work. If it's on a desktop, it's also going to work. So the first way I'm going to show you is copying a link of your own Facebook page you've created. Then after that, I'll be showing you how to copy a link of another Facebook page you can go and find. So to go and copy the link of your own Facebook page, all you want to do is go and click on the menu in the bottom right. And to get to this menu on a desktop device, simply click on the 9 dots in the top right. Then it's going to go and show you this, and you want to go and find pages. It's going to be below to your profile, so click pages. Then it's going to show you your pages, so I've got mine here. Then click on it. Then all you want to do is simply move this bar across here. It's going to have like a menu. All you want to do is move it across till you can see more. Then click on more. Then all you want to do is simply scroll right down, and there we go, there is the copy link button. So you can copy it, and then you can go and send it to anyone you like. And if you're on a desktop, you just want to go to the top URL and simply go and copy that, and that's going to go and take you to your page. Now I want to go and show you how you can copy the link of another Facebook page which you may not necessarily own. To do that, all you want to do is tap on search Facebook. Then all you want to do is search for a page. So I'm going to go and search for Minecraft. I've previously searched that before. So go and search for the page you like. Then once you go and find it, then all you need to do is go to the top right where it's got this share icon. Then you can go and click on it, and you can go and click on copy link. It's that easy to go and copy the link of another page and your own page. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.